Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase educational resources with Khan Academy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase educational resources using Khan Academy, begin by visiting the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Create a free account if you haven't already. Click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Select whether you are signing up as a student, teacher, or parent. Fill out the required information and follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once logged in, navigate to the Courses tab on the main menu. Explore the various subjects available, such as math, science, arts, and test prep. Select a subject that interests you or aligns with your educational needs. Within the selected subject, browse the different topics and lessons offered. Click on a specific topic to view the available resources, which may include instructional videos, practice exercises, and quizzes. Start with the introductory videos to grasp the fundamental concepts. Utilize the practice exercises provided after each lesson to reinforce your understanding. Track your progress by checking the dashboard that displays completed lessons and skill mastery. If you're a teacher, consider creating a class by clicking on the Teacher tab. Invite students by providing them with the class code, which they can use to join. Use the Assign feature to allocate specific lessons or exercises to your students. Encourage students to ask questions and engage in discussions around the topics covered. For additional support, take advantage of the help resources available on the site. Explore the community section for forums where students and teachers discuss strategies and share insights. Regularly revisit the site to access new content and resources as they are updated. Implement what you learn in your studies or teaching strategies for enhanced educational experiences. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your educational resources with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.